Welcome back to the Ted Blocker YouTube channel. We had a bunch of duty holsters going out, and we had this set that had similarities and differences, and so I love to always give you guys a little visual when we can of something that's similar but different. So here we have the SW600, so a 6-inch drop, and the SW400, 4-inch drop. Let me do, I think back to back this way is the best way for you guys to see that, maybe, the difference in drop length. Now, the fun thing about this is that these are both made for a 6-inch Colt Python. So the actual holster size is the same, if you can see that. But we've got two separate drop sizes, so that changes it significantly. And then, I don't know if you can tell on the colors in this lighting, but we've got black versus dark brown. The dark brown is so gorgeous. Both basket woven. But then we've also got the difference of a single retention, so one snap there on the dark brown one, versus a double retention. So you've got an outer snap and an inner snap. So kind of, let me flip them this way. Give you guys an idea there. Double snap, single snap. Colt Python, 6-inch, 4-inch drop versus 6-inch drop, both basket woven, both right-handed. So I love comparing holsters, and these two were super fun, especially since they were made for the exact same gun, but just different setups. So hope you guys enjoyed seeing as well.